Dikeh. Dikeh, how come you left away without telling me?
Sit down.
Uche, don't worry, sit.
No, sit. No, I want to
sit down. Sit, don't worry, okay? It's fine. What happened? How come you left without telling me?
I'm so sorry. I just had to come home and just... Everything was too much.
Dikeh, but at least you should have told me. I'm your friend. I called your phone a number of times. It wasn't connecting. I was so worried. That's why I came home to check if everything is okay with you.
You see me now. I'm so sorry anyway, but I couldn't just bear it. You understand? So I have no option.
Dikeh, okay, tell me, are you planning to stay back in the village or what?
Not really, but for now, I just want to cool off here, you know? I'm not just thinking straight. Maybe you need to understand. You know what happened?
But look, I have told you that this is not the end of the war. Look, Dikeh, it's hard time you dust yourself off. You have to be strong. Let's just go and have a bottle of drink, okay?
Okay, I just want to relax my head. I don't have appetite to eat anything for now, please.
Dikeh, come on, feet, okay? Stop talking rubbish. Stand up, let's just go and have a bottle of drink. Come on. Come on. It's okay, just... Uche, let's go and sit down somewhere, okay?
Welcome. You are welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. How's the family? Fine. I hope all is well. This one
yes.
All is well, my brother. All is well.
It's about that our land across Mba. We have finally found a buyer, and we have written the agreement. I've signed my column. Dikeh has signed his own column. So I now bring the agreement for you to sign.
You know that this buyer priced double the amount the first person priced. And the amount is 4 million naira. Egigwe. Okobi will not sign this document.
What? You won't sign it? Why?
When it was my turn for people to scratch my back, you turned away. Now you want me to sign this document? I will not sign it. And let me tell you, if you people go ahead to say that land without my consent, I will take people to court. And you pay me 10 million naira. Yes. Okobi. So.
Who is that?
Dikeh.
There is problem.
There is problem.
What is it?
What is it?
You know something for us.
Which one is that?
I got home and my wife gave me the message. And I think it has to do with Uchechi and Emenike.
Hey, who could have told Ono that?
I don't know, my brother. What do we do now?
Okay. Don't worry. Calm down. Calm down.
I'm afraid.
Don't worry. Calm down until we get to that place first. Okay? Calm down until we get to Ono's place first. Okay? Let me go and change.
Unebu, I called you here because what I heard is disgusting to my ears. I want to ask you a question. And I want the truth of that matter. Yes or no. Did you and your brothers prevent a young man from marrying your niece because he was an actor?
It's not like that. Oh no. We are trying.
I said I want yes or no.
Yes.
Unebu, I'm disappointed. How could you do such a thing? Were you not aware that the Osu caste system has been abolished in this town? Are you not aware that we said that no man should refer to another as an Osu? How could your family spit on the entire village? I'm still speaking. Eh? Look, Unebu, you and your brother must go and bring 50,000 naira fine.
Hey! Oh no!
Hey! That is not all. That is not all. And a cow.
Aye.
Unless you want me to take the matter to the Igwe. And if I go to the Igwe, it will be more severe for you.
No, can I say something?
This is not the time to speak. I want you to go back and make sure that that marriage is really contracted. Otherwise, I'll bring in the Igwe. Go now and make sure that the young man pays the marriage rights. Otherwise, what you see, you may not like it.
You have been sitting here for the past 2 hours and you refuse to talk to us.
What do you want me to say? I've already told you people I will not put my signature on that land document.
Why, man? Eh? Why this? Why? I thought we've made peace.
You're asking me why? So, you have forgotten what people made my daughter to go through in this land.
Hey, Okobi, calm down. Let us not make ourselves look stupid before the men in this village. Besides, we are here for peace.
You are here for peace?
Yes.
You are here for peace because you want me to put my signature on the land document?
No.
That is it.
No, Okobi, don't take it like that. Please.
Okobi, after due consultation with other members of the family, we came to the conclusion that you can now go ahead and give your daughter's hand in marriage to Emenike.
So that we are with peace. We are all in support of you now.
Yes. Dude, so you are now in support of abomination?
Yeah.
I see.
How do you mean abomination? Eh? How do you mean abomination? You are talking as if I am the only person, I, Unebu, who refused your daughter from marrying Emenike.
It's you. It's you. Remember, I warned you, but you will not listen. Now look at where it has landed us.
Anyway, I will think about putting my signature on that land document. I'll think about it.
Look, I am not talking about documents. Issue of signing document or issue of not signing document. I am not talking about the document.
Okay, it's about the 50,000 naira farm, isn't it?
And the cow.
Now that you're talking, I knew it. I knew it.
Look, Okaro, there is no other place I can raise this money from. There's no other place I can raise this money from. Where do you want me to get the money from? If not from the land sale.
Okay, I'll think about it. But before then, you people will go back to Emenike and his people to convince them to come back for my daughter's marriage. Yes.
Okay. If I'm with you. We greet you.
What have you come to do? I am sure you missed your way.
No, my love. We have come to see you.
What are you doing in my house? Since when did you start visiting our house?
At least I expect you to go inside and offer us sit and cola. So that we'll now sit down and detail why we're here.
Just like me. I am surprised that both of you came into Usu compound.
We have to do the following. Be careful with it. Gradual process. So that we will succeed. Yes. And that's what we have to do. We are here to tell you that we are sorry. Because I know we have offended you and your son.
Please, we did that out of ignorance. Now we know better.
My in-law, and we have come to inform you that you and your son can now come for the marriage rites.
In the first place, stop addressing me as your in-law. My son is no longer interested in you, JG. And for your information, he will no longer marry for this time.
But at least we have not told you she's not.
Ibabuchi, let us not drag this thing too long. Please, let's allow sleeping dog lie. Our daughter is still waiting for your son.
She is waiting for the wrong person. If she's waiting at all. Yes. I will not be alive and watch my son undergo another round of humiliation from you people.
My in-law, please, I am quite sure your son still loves our daughter.
Who told you that love doesn't die? Well, I was busy at the time. When you go,
In-law.
In-law.
now stand up there. Stand up from that seat. Enough. You will stand up. Stand.
In-law, has he come to this?
Stand up. Wicked people.
In-law.
What do we do? I don't have money to pay for any fine. We must have to do something.
Like what?
Look, I've told you I don't have money to pay fine. or money to buy cow.
You must have. You must have. Because you should have known this thing earlier. Enough. Before this time, all these things started escalating.
Oh, are you not blaming me?
Why won't I blame you?
You are not blaming me.
I should blame you.
My daughter.
Hi, good morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm fine. My father is not at home.
No, I have not come to see your father. I've come to see you. Care for peace.
In that case, let me get you a seat.
No. I've come to make peace with you.
Peace?
Yes.
How? I don't understand.
You see, I'm here to talk to you. I don't want to beat about the bush. We have realized our foolishness. Look, no man was created to be an outcast.
Oh.
We are in support that you should go on and marry Emenike.
I've heard you. I heard you were there yesterday. And Emenike's father refused talking to you. But it's well. My God will see me through.
Look, you're a woman. You can convince Emenike and his people to come back. Tell them we are now in support.
Uncle, can you hear yourself at home? How do you expect me to do that? They have been here twice and they were humiliated. Now you want me to go and convince him to come and marry me? At what? What does that speak of me? Begging a man to come and marry me. God forbid.
No, I did not say that. No. I did not say that you should go and beg a man to come and marry you. What I'm saying is that you should go and convince Emenike to come back with his people. Let us make peace. We want peace. I don't want people to look at us as wicked.
Uncle, we are still saying the same thing. Convince. Tell him. Anyhow, it's still the same thing. You don't expect me to go and beg a man to come and marry me. Tomorrow people will start saying rubbish. I cannot do it. I can never do it. I can't even think of it.
Look, you are a woman.
I'm a woman.
You are a woman. It will be easier for you to use the softest part of your heart to convince him. Please, ma'am. We are not wicked. Please.
I've heard.
Adai, thank you very much. Please. Thank you. Why no one?
Emenike, you're not saying anything.
I don't have anything to say.
What do you mean you don't have anything to say? They have given their go-ahead order. We should not get married. Yet you kept mute. And you're asking me, what do I want you to do? You know what to do, of course. Emenike, do not do this. Emenike, you know very well that I love you so much. Do not do this because I will not be happy with you.
What do you expect me to say? When your people are very unpredictable, how do you want me to believe they are not planning another humiliation?
Emenike, I can't believe you uttered those words. But no problem. I will not disturb you again about this issue. Just do whatever that pleases you. Don't worry.
Uchechi.
Well, I'll be leaving tomorrow. But I'll be back with you after tomorrow.
I want to thank you for standing by me all this while.
No problem. You're my friend. You said you've forgotten what you did for me in the past when I nearly came to your way.
That was in the past.
Yeah, you're right. Don't worry. The way I'm taking it, I will make sure you something for you. You're welcome. And this friend of mine who owns a different company in my life, I think I will talk to him. Let's see what we can do.
Thank you very, very much.
My friend, see, my doctor help you.
God.
Just hold this. And I'm back. That person. I'm taking you.
It's okay. Thank you very much.
I have to take my easy.
Okay. Just drive well, eh? Safe.
My regards to you.
Drive well, eh? Safe. Don't go and take some stuff and drive.
No. You take care of yourself for me, eh?
Miniki, you didn't eat the food that I left for you.
And I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry.
Mama, everything is like a dream. I wanted to get married, but at the end, wife I did not marry. Job I don't even have again. I don't understand. I'm just here in this village eating food from my mother's pot. The worst has happened to me.
No. The worst thing that can happen to a man is when you don't have faith. With faith, you can overcome any kind of trial or temptation that comes your way. Please.
I don't even know what I want right now.
Don't talk like this. You have to know what you want. This is just the trying period. It will pass. I know, because I'm a praying woman and I've been praying for you. At the end of the day, there will be joy. This is just
What is it, why are you coming here to look at my son? Huh?
What have I done?
Oh, you want me to climb the highest hill you can? I shout it! And leave my son alone. Go there and wait for a freeborn to come and marry you. Allow us. Leave us alone.
Papa, why are you saying all this to me? I am as hot as Emenike is. And even more. Papa, I weep all night that I now know the taste of tears. Papa, I'm hot. Please. Everybody in this village knows how much I love Emenike. Can you please allow us to be together? I beg you, please.
Did I hear you say love? Huh?
Love, Bakwako. Love. I know you are very well. They are the most unpredictable, crafty people I have ever seen in life. And that includes you. Yes, you are the daughter. If you say you don't sleep, you weep all night. I'm not even moved. Because I know that by tomorrow you will be in the arms of another man. Leave my son alone.
No, Papa, please stop saying all this to me. All I need is your blessing. Please, I love Dikeh and I wouldn't want to lose him. Please, I beg.
Stop coming here to shed other tears. I don't want to see it. In fact, I don't want to see you here anymore. Get out of here. It's my son, Dikeh, I believe. Why is there no food in this house? Are we not going to eat this time?
Do I look like your wife? If you want food, go and get a second wife to be cooking for you. I am not your maid.
Uchechi, are you talking to me like that? Are you talking to me like that, Uchechi?
Leave me alone. Maybe I've lost my mind. Maybe I cannot take it anymore. Maybe you have added more sorrow to my terrible life. Have I not been a good daughter? All my life, everything I've ever done is to make you happy. Everything I've ever done is to make you satisfied. Why are you treating me like this? Why, Father? Why? I have done practically everything to make you happy in this house. But how did you pay me back? What have you paid me back with? You've taken away my joy, my happiness. The only man that matters to me, you have taken him away from me. Thereby making me a laughing stock in this community. What have I done to deserve this? All you ever want me to do is to stay in this house, cook for you, wash clothes for you, do some farm chores for you. That's all you want. Why don't you marry me? Why don't you get me pregnant and let me start bearing children for you? Why don't you marry me? Why don't you marry me? Since you don't want my happiness, why don't you marry me? Mama! Mama! Is it because my mother is no longer alive? Is it because of that? Give me this! What did I do, Mama? Mama! Is it true you asked Uchechi to stop coming to our house?
The question should have been, is it true that you asked Uchechi to stop coming here to shed crocodile tears? If that is your question, the answer is yes.
It's not fair. Let's not treat this thing like a do or die affair. We all know how it all started.
Can't you see this thing the way I'm saying it, woman? Huh?
Let's not treat this girl like we hate her. It's not her fault. The fact that her people cannot stand Uchechi is not her fault.
Let me tell you. I want you to know that I'm being very careful about whatever concerns Uchechi and her people. Her people are my enemies. And I see them as such. Eh? Look at it. Is it not because of Uchechi and her people that my son is now roaming about the village doing nothing? Yes, he lost his job because of them. And you know they're not to let you know they're enemies.
The Bible says we should also love our enemies.
That is what the Bible said.
Yeah. I think you should remember the past. This girl was a good girl. She used to come around to help us in the farm and in the house. We found no fault in her. Why all this?
There you go again. What is wrong with you? Eh? If there is no other better thing to discuss, why don't you
Finish what I'm doing.
Anyway, about the job, I know that Ebere will get even that job. I've been praying for him, and I know that God answers all my prayers. Before you know it, Ebere will be back.
That is what I also pray for. I pray that you get a better job.
Let me go. I don't want anybody shouting at me.
Yes, because you don't have to. You don't have to be a take it easy. So we're talking about somebody that went to be good to us.
Emenike. Oliver, is everything alright?
You should be in a worry. Emenike, this letter is for you.
What is this?
Is this for you? It's for real.
I've not only been restated, but read the managing director of our company at Enugu.
I told you, my friend, that very soon the storm will be over. You see that?
Wow! Am I dreaming? No, I'm dreaming. I'm dreaming. Do you know that this comes with an official car? With housing allowance. How did it happen? How did it happen?
I was at home, they brought the letter. They said they were calling your phone and it wasn't connected.
Oh, that's true. I had a flat battery and there was no light.
Congratulations.
Whoa! You know what? Just go inside and let's go and celebrate.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, please don't be offended. I don't know if you're going my direction.
Where exactly are you going to?
I'm going to Umikere village.
Umikere. Actually, that's not my direction. But it's okay, let me drop it. It's okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's like you're coming from a long journey.
Yes, sir. I'm coming from Port Harcourt.
Oh, Port Harcourt. Wow, that's nice. So, what do you do?
I used to walk.
You used to walk?
Yes, I lost my job.
Wow. Sorry about that.
No problem.
So sorry, yeah? So what do you study in school?
Accounting.
Accounting. That's nice. Okay. You might be lucky.
How?
There's a vacancy in my office for an accountant. So, you're going to file up your CVs and submit.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. I'm really, really grateful. God bless you.
Don't thank me yet. You've not gotten the job yet.
There's no problem. You are God sent. God bless you so much.
Okay, we'll take it up from there.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
It's now you came back all around. Good news. That is good. So,
Thank you. Thank you so much. You can't just worry.
Well, please, I'm so sorry. I got an urgent message, so I rushed down to from Nollywood to Ini Edo. What is it? Yeah, Papa, I've been reinstated. Huh? And been promoted too.
That's how outdates your own. Hey! Awesome God!
Yeah.
Oh, Father shall always be God. You always do it for us. Eh? Hey! God, you're just an awesome God. Eh?
Yes,
Hey! How did it happen?
Mama, so big man. He brought a letter to me. After reading the letter, I had to rush to the way.
Hey, yeah! This calls for celebration.
Yes. Celebration of my wife. You see that fowl? A big one.
Just prepare it right away.
Okay.
Garnish it well.
While I go to bring my special palm wine.
No, you can't get the palm wine first. That will be a problem.
Now, won't you even have to first? You're always busy pressing this your TV.
Papa, I need to fix this because I'm taking it to the day before tomorrow. So I have to do it and do it fast.
Please, take care of yourself. You work a little and have a rest, eh?
It's okay.
Hello, Emily.
Oh, nigga, how are you?
I'm fine. I hope I'm just...
Oh, no, not at all. Nigga, I want you to get your CV for me tomorrow. And why coming? Just call me first, so I'll direct you.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much. I'll come tomorrow. Thank you.
Bye.
I hope I'm not sure.
Good.
morning, sir.
Naija, how are you?
I'm fine. Are you leaving already?
Yeah, almost. Is that the credentials I asked you to bring?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me see. Oh, you have diploma in bookkeeping too?
Yes, sir.
Wow. This is great. Let's say you're one step closer.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me be going now.
Look, I won't get called, eh?
Safe trip.
Good morning, sir.
Papa?
Morning, ma'am.
Safe trip.
Okay, bye, eh?
Is she from this village? Do you work in the same place?
Papa, why all this patience?
She looks beautiful, very beautiful. Look at she looks to me as a good wife. Huh?
Papa, it's not what you think.
Oh, am I thinking anything? Do you look at me? Am I saying anything? I'm thinking nothing and I'm saying nothing. All I'm saying, I'm only admiring her. She's beautiful.
Okay.
If not for anything, you must have known her name by now.
Papa, her name is Nega.
Can I go now?
Can I?
5 seconds.
You're free.
Please, don't be offended. Are you married? Not yet. You look cool. You look very okay. You have a car, you have a job, and I know you will have a house. So, why not yet?
It's a long story.
Anyway, you look like my ex. We are actually planning to get married, but his mother refused because I'm not from their village. And she wants someone that is from their village.
Sorry about that.
Don't worry, it's nothing. You know, destiny can be delayed, but certainly it can be delayed.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Oh. Take this and get something for yourself.
Thank you very much, sir. Okay. Do you know I've been so good? Thank you. You are God sent.
No problem.
God bless you.
Take care of yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, bye.
Answer my beautiful sister. How are you?
Who is that man?
Oh, it's my friend. That man is very kind. Do you know he has been spoiling me with money since I came back?
Your friend?
That man is very kind.
Are you serious?
Telling you.
And he gave you this money?
This is just number one. He has been buying me so many things. Beautiful, beautiful things.
Are you serious?
Anywhere you see that kind of man, greeting for me. He's a nice man. Sorry that I have not visited you since I came back. You know we've been trying to fix some things.
So what? No problem.
Okay. I'll come to your house tomorrow.
No problem.
It's not easy to find man these days, though. My sister, I'll come and see you tomorrow. You know what I eat now? If I cook for me, I don't for me. Uche. What happened to me will happen to you. Good morning.
You again. I have warned you to stop coming to my compound. Stop coming to embarrass me and my son. I'm begging you, I'm on my knees, please.
Nai, please. I have not come to insult you or anything. I brought firewood for Mama. Is she at home?
Did she order firewood from you? I have warned you several times to stop coming to this place. You are looking for something, you will get it. Huh? Did she tell you she's in need of firewood? Take it to your parents, we don't need it.
Okay. Nai, please. Sorry to disturb you. I saw someone that looks like Ini Edo on the way. Is he in town?
Are you trying to interview me now? Or what?
No, Nai.
Must I answer this question? What's your business with Ebere? I've told you before, whatever is between both of you is over.
Nai, please. Is he back?
Yes. Any problem? What's your business with that? And now you come. So before Ini Edo will come, you first of all obtain permission from you.
No, Biko, please, I'm very sorry. Please, but is he coming back?
So that's another interrogation. Whether he's coming back or not coming back. You want me to expect me to answer you? Please take this firewood to this who it belongs to. Take it to your parents and leave my compound in peace. Leave now! Go and meet them. They are the free born. We are outcasts. There's no connection between the freeborns and outcasts. Take this firewood to those who belong to them. Take it to your parents! That's the watch. Leave my compound! Carry to your parents. Nonsense.
Nega. Unusual on your face. Tell me, who is behind this?
I don't mean in a hurry. You get something very, very soon.
Let him come and see us.
Don't worry, no. He will come. You know he has been busy doing some things. Do you know that this same man promised to give me a job in his office?
He must be a very rich man.
He is very rich. He has money. Do you know that he has money?
I know that you know this fellow.
Is that what you're saying? You can say it again and again. I have good luck following you every day.
Please go and prepare me something to eat. You can see I'm having an eating time.
Please, I cannot go without seeing him anymore.
You must go now.
Please, Nai.
You want to talk to them? Go now.
Nai,
Go.
Nai, come on.
Go, Madama. Who told you that? We need your fire. Get out. If I see you next time, I'm in your life. You like this girl? You want to implicate my son? Go away. Did you see me? Uteti! Uteti!
Ute! I'm coming to your house. Are you going? Ute! Ute! What is that look?
You know. So you think you have succeeded? You think you have finally succeeded? It's a lie. The war has just started.
Okay. What is it? What have I done to you? Eh?
He said you don't eat dog meat, but you share it with your teeth. Is that not an act of hypocrisy? Is that not wickedness? Tell me.
Okay, calm down. Calm down and talk to me. Tell me what is the problem?
Wicked man.
Wait for what? Wait for trouble. Real trouble. I will give it to you.
Papa, did you quarrel with Okoroko?
No. He gave me a shouting and even told me that I should prepare for war.
War? Yes. Ah, but this is unlike Okoroko. Did you ask him what the problem was?
I tried to, but he did not give me the chance to talk. I think I know where this is coming from. I know where it's coming from. Let me go and see Etiko. When I come back, I'll tell you.
Hello? Emenike? Are you back? You are at home now? Okay, I'm coming right away. I'm coming.
starting work next month. Have it.
Work?
Yes, work.
Work? Thank you so much.
Okay.
Oh, you're so kind.
I want you to do one thing for me.
Okay.
Put your whole mind in this work.
I will do it.
Do it well.
Anything.
Work very hard.
Hey, what could I have done without you? You were so lovely. Give me another hug.
It's okay. Let's go. I bought something for you.
Eh? Another thing. Hey, what have I done? For me. Why?
Uchechi, I've told you never to cry because of a man.
Papa, I am not crying because of a man. I am not crying because they broke my hands and took what rightfully belongs to me. I am only crying because we have been fooled. I am crying because this is not right. This is not right, Papa.
My daughter. I'm not stupid. I know what to do.
Papa, please.
Yes.
Please.
I know what to do.
Please help me. Help me. I cannot be for anything like that. Honestly, I don't feel like going.
You don't feel like going, but I have to. I will see you tomorrow, okay? But don't forget that we're going to Nollywood tomorrow together.
Hey, I've been meaning to ask you this. What about your mom?
She went for our church program, but it's going to last for 3 days. Oh, you see her soon. Okay?
Oh, Emily, you are back.
Yeah, you're welcome.
That's good. You're good. Did you find them? Yeah, why would you tell us? Did you give us a...
We ate the stadium.
What will we see?
I will come tomorrow.
That would be wonderful. I will be at home.
Papa, it's okay. Let me go and drop her.
Drop her. That's enough.
I'll be back soon.
wait. Emily.
Papa, please don't start. What is it?
What again do you mean by starting? You don't ask her anything. Emily, can't you see this girl is happy with you? And since you met her, you've been happy. Is it a lie?
Yes, Papa, I'm happy.
You are happy. My concern is anything that will make you happy.
Papa, don't worry yourself. I am happy. Okay? Are you happy now?
Hey, beautiful. Move on.
Okay, my dear, I'll be going.
No, come inside and see my father. You won't greet my father.
I would love to, but I don't have much time.
You are not going this way. I just want you to stand there. Then I'll call out. Okay? Papa! Papa! Papa, there's someone outside that I want to meet you.
Who is that person?
Come and see the person now.
Coming. Good day, sir.
He is a son, a babuchi, the outcast.
Papa, what are you trying to say? That I shouldn't accept him if he proposes?
No, I didn't say so. I didn't say so. He's rich. He's handsome. When he's tall, he's an envy of a company. So,
you almost scared me. Papa, see, the way I'm seeing things now, our marriage will come very, very soon. You didn't say
no.
how is your father?
He's fine.
I was coming to see you and...
I want you to understand this matter. The gentleman, my brother Emego, did not allow to marry my daughter, has come to marry his own daughter, and he accepted him. Is that not conspiracy? Tell me.
Okubi, calm down. Unebu, you have heard what Okubi said. Is it the truth?
Oh no. You told us to associate with the Osu and not to avoid them.
So this is the truth. Unebu, you have eaten from the pot of shame. Let me tell you, as long as I am the Onowu of this community, that marriage cannot hold.
No. But you told us to be associating with the outcast. Now that this young man and this young girl have decided to marry each other, you are now telling me that you do not hold. It's not possible, Onowu.
Unebu. If this is true, count me out. Because we cannot wipe our hands with our left hand and put our fingers in our nostrils. Count me out.
But what is all this all about? Why this language?
Unebu, they call you. I have found out that you are a confused man. I am the Onowu of this village. And that marriage cannot hold. And this meeting is over.
Are you aware of the fact that your son is making a marriage arrangement?
I see. So, what this girl does now is to go about prognosing into our affairs and knowing what we intend to do. How do I go about it? Now tell me, what business of hers is it if her son is making alternative arrangement for marriage? Or must he be Uchechi? Must he be Uchechi?
I'm asking you. You have not answered my question.
Well, if you insist, all I mean is that where my son is, what makes him happy is where I stand.
So you are aware, right?
I've not said so.
So much is happening in this house without reason.
Let me finish. Come on. So, this is so Ogechi is getting out of hand. I must think of what to do.
You're back from Mukrit?
Yes, I'm back.
How did it go?
It went well.
Yeah. Well, what is it? Anyway, I'm just coming back.
Yeah, okay. What's this idea of you and your father finding a wife for you? Someone to get married to without letting me know?
Mama, wouldn't they allow you to rest at least?
Both of you treat me as if I'm not part of this family. As if I don't matter. It doesn't make sense. I don't like it.
Mama, as you can see, I'm just coming back. And I've had a very hectic day. So I need to rest. We'll talk about that later.
Now treats me like a total stranger in my own house.
So this is true. You want to marry Naija?
Who told you?
What do you mean who told you? The news is all over the village. Everybody knows about it. Dikeh, is this the love you promised me? Is this the love? So this is how the love has suddenly disappeared. Dikeh. It has suddenly disappeared into thin air. Dikeh.
Chichi, it's not my fault. Your people caused it.
Whose fault? It's not yours. Whose fault? Emenike, of all the girls in this community, why must it be my own cousin? Why? Emenike, you hurt me so deeply. You hurt me. Why must it be my blood? Emenike, it would have been endurable if it was someone else.
Chichi, I am not done with you yet. And I've not told Nneka I want to marry her. I've not.
But you've taken her in. Have you not? You have taken Nneka in. Look me in the eyes and tell me you have not taken Nneka.
I've never thought of that. How do you expect me to do anything like
that? Stop patronizing me! Stop it! Stop patronizing me! Do you know how many times I've seen you with her? Uncountable! Emenike, you're hurting me! Of all the girls, why Nneka? Why my cousin? Emenike, I haven't done anything to you! Emenike, this is not fair! This is not fair!
Uche, please stop crying. Whoever told you that I want to get married to Nneka, it's a lie. I've not told you Nneka. How do you expect me to marry the daughter of a man who called me an outcast? Who humiliated me? Please don't believe them. I am not getting married to Nneka. Okay? Uche, please. No?
I really missed you. I thought I had lost you. Today is the happiest day of my life.
What have you been doing all this while?
What else? Right? Not crying. I've been crying. You left me now.
Oh, what does she want here?
Papa, she came to see me.
But I have warned her never to set her foot in this copper. Have I not done that? But why? Okay. I don't want trouble for her people. Are you hearing me? Huh? And I wouldn't like her to hurt you again.
Papa, she has not hurt me before. And as we speak, her people have decided to accept her.
I don't care. And I'm not going there again for this marriage. As far as I'm concerned, it's over.
Papa, calm down. Just calm down and listen to me. Papa, you know, as we speak, Igwe has resolved in this issue. And has concluded that Ichechi and I will get married.
I see. Igwe. I'm just talking about Igwe. Let me tell you, even if God Almighty comes down today, I, your father, Ibabuchi, cannot, for any reason, be found in that compound. I have told you, leave this girl alone. Nothing in this world will make me pursue me down to this witch. I cannot do that. Huh? Witch human beings. That's what they are. And this girl is exclusive. I cannot go with you. Go and marry her alone.
Papa, you know how much I love Uchechi. Papa, please.
When you have told you several times, stop talking about Uchechi and why. Please. And by the way, what of Nneka?
This is what we're talking about. Papa, Nneka and Uchechi are cousins. Ichie Unebu is Nneka's son.
Hey! How do you know?
I want to drop Nneka. I came out to greet me.
Hey!
instead of you to manage this all of them and go to bed with the mind. Yes.
But please, I need your support and your blessing now. Please.
But I have always supported you on it. I've never been doing that. But for this one, I say no.
Papa, let us finish what we've started. It will not harm us. Rather, it will bring peace in this village.
Please, we need to support this. Eh? Especially now that the whole village is involved. Besides, there are people who have accepted that you should come and marry her. And let us support them, please.
My wife, you are saying this because you are not there with me. If you had seen the kind of insult I received from this woman. Yeah. Never.
Papa, did I not tell you that Igwe is fully aware of this?
Emenike!
Papa.
Can't lick my vomit.
Papa, please, stop this, please, help me. Please.
Emenike, instead of wasting your time, go out and look for a befitting care. I will be there. I will give you 100% support. Yes. But for Nneka and Uchechi, count me out of it.
I'll talk to you, okay?
Dikeh. How are you? You're welcome.
Thank you.
Did you see Nneka?
Did I see Nneka?
Yes.
How?
I woke up this morning to notice that she has packed all her things and left. And I was thinking she came to your place.
Why? What happened?
I don't know. Did you two quarrel?
Where could she have gone to?
I don't know. Did she call you on phone?
No, she did not.
I was thinking she came to see you. She came to visit you.
No, she did not.
Hey!
She did not.
Papa, hey, I'm coming. Let me drop it back. I don't just understand what you're saying.
Where could she have gone to?
You can't continue taking this whole thing this far. Hmm? I know they hurt you, but in trying to take revenge, you end up hurting your own son. Yes, and for the past 2 weeks, that boy has not been himself. You really need to have a rethink.
It's alright.
Thank you. I'll make you a special soup.
When did you come back? I came back yesterday. Hope there's no problem. So your face is like this. There is nothing. Talk to me now, change. No, this is not do change. Nobody talk to me. My problem is your sister. My sister. Uchechi. Uchechi, come. Where is my sister? Papa, how could you allow Emenike, the same man you vehemently refused to marry Uchechi, to associate with Nneka? Is he no longer an outcast? Hey, Papa, how could you do such a thing? No wonder Nneka ran out of the house. You had better go look for her.
Chukwu nyere m ya, ọ bụ nke m, nke m, nke a